Despite the fact that Cape Town has multiple public transport modes available in the city, there isn't actually much information available to plan multimodal trips across these various systems. So the point of my thesis was to investigate through a mixed methods approach how to enable equitable access to public transport information on the hybrid system through information and communications technologies, or ICTs, with the aim of enhancing access to mobility in Cape Town, South Africa, for captive public transport users. So captive public transport users being people without access to alternative privatized means of travel. The research was framed within the capability approach to investigate what information people need to plan journeys that meet their needs and preferences, and how, given their technological capabilities, to deliver this information most equitably. Then, using semi-structured interviews, a comprehensive understanding of information needs for planning hybrid journeys across various scenarios was gathered. And this list then was narrowed down through a best-worst scaling study to gain a representative understanding of the least and most useful information types. Then from that list of the most useful information types, a stated preference choice model was applied to investigate what the minimum information was that was required to make use of the hybrid network to access mobility opportunities in non-routine scenarios, where the most useful information types were represented as different levels of certainty. Then the other part of the research was to understand ICT capabilities, and this was done through secondary data analysis in the survey questionnaire, which were used to gauge the access to technologies and skills related to transport information use cases. At the end of the day, this research found that none of the information types at the quality level desired is currently evenly available across the hybrid system, nor do official information sources have the capacity to equitably reach captive users given current technological capabilities. The combination of gaps in the information provision and adequate communication methods hinders users' informational capabilities to plan journeys that best meet their needs and preferences, and consequentially limits their access to opportunities through mobility. Essentially, strategies for understanding information needs, collecting the data necessary, and opening this data to the public through data portals provides the adaptability and flexibility needed to deliver sustainable solutions.